If you want to change keyboard theme on Samsung S25, unfortunately you get only 4 themes, but there's actually a short way how we can actually fix this. So this is actually available for Samsung keyboard, but in the most phones you can actually find a Gboard from Google, like basically on Pixel phones, on Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco. Just simply go into the Play Store and find Gboard, the Google keyboard. You will have to just download it, and after downloading we will be able to set this keyboard as default one, where we can actually find access into customization. So wait a minute, it will actually take around a few seconds, and now we can simply open it, click to enable in the settings, and when you are here, select default keyboard and switch right here into Gboard. If it doesn't appear right here, then we can try to go back, and we have to just select this button and switch off the Samsung keyboard. So right now we have to click here, go into theme, and there we go. As you can see right now, we can pick any theme that we want. We have to also switch this input method, and right now everything will be finished. You can apply here, this simple colors, some default themes, but you can also click on the plus and create your own theme. And let me quickly show you how it actually works. Now as you can see, we get new keyboard theme.